Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an experiment one. It's going to be can a train go backwards? And you're like, of course they can. It's a train. But I am not talking about just pulling a train. I mean pushing a train. So I'm going to stop wamboing and get on with it. There's forward backwards. I'm not going to say trying to full power if it is too fast. That's fine with 3 coaches, so I'm going to put on some more. Put on 2 more coaches, so let's see if it can go backwards. Like that is full power. So it is struggling a lot more than it would forward. It can do it. I'm going to put on maybe 1 or 2 coaches, but I say that be the limit. Put on 2 more coaches, and this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if I can do a reverse. I'm hoping it is a smidge, just to get going. And did it help? No, it cannot move. Now if I turn it to forward. Oh, look at that. That is an interesting result. It's moving a lot faster now than if it was in reverse, which I find is a bit strange. Loco's go be this bloke that I got recently, and it's starting off with just 4 coaches because it says Polly's sassy. I'm only setting it to half power, but it can pull 4 coaches. Oh, push 4 coaches. I did an extra 2 coaches on, so let's see if we can push it. It is going, and that is full power. It is going. If I give a nudge, will it go any faster? This is interesting. Like, this is fairly interesting. This is interesting. I'm going to swap directions. Yeah, look, it's pulling these with no issue. That's an interesting result if you ask me. Because look, it's gaining speed, where in the other way it was just stopped. Next we have Edward up, and I'm giving Edward 4 coaches, because my Edward doesn't have traction tyres. So I'll see if Edward can push it. He can push it, and I'm not exactly going to do any more than that because he doesn't have traction tyres, and I know Edward won't be able to push it backwards. But forwards is a bit of a different story, or rather the same story. It's different because I'd be able to attach like 2 more, I think, but that would be his limit because he has no traction tyres, so he is rather weak. So, yeah, that's going to be interesting. Next is Dealey, and I'm just going to give him 4 coaches to start with, like everyone else. No problem. No problem for Dealey. That's only half power, and he's doing it like he's just pushing air. I'm going to add on an extra 2 and see what happens. I've added an extra 2 on for Dealey, so let's see if he can move it. That's full power. Again, that is interesting. Ooh, can he do it? No. That's interesting because forward, no problems with it. No problems, he's just pulling those away as if they're air. Which is interesting. So I'm going to put on another engine. Next engine we have is my large prairie. I'm just going to skip straight to 6 because I actually know we can do it because I did a sort before this, so I know we can do 6. I'm probably going to give an extra 2 or something, so I'll be back in a moment.